I don't forget to, yes guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget. When they are eating, they are very quiet. Very quiet. 13 likes and 7 people. Yes, thank you. I usually put my tea up there because hey, they can mess up with it. Matthias, hi Macy the chef. Hi Matthias, how are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you, Matthias. Matthias, questionable judgment. Don't mind about my night work. Keep a thumbs up, guys. Keep it. Don't forget to give. Oh no, huh? Don't forget to give a thumbs up. The babies are feeding. They are feeding. How cute. Thank you. Thank you. No. Yeah, I'm having some chocolate. What's chocolate? These cats love drinking from them. I saw the post with Whiskers. Thank you. Hey, Whiskers is the shenanigans of Whiskers. Thank you, Matthias, for watching. I think I saw your comment. The cat is no, it's not misbehaving. You always have negative energy. You never comment with something positive most of the time. He's not misbehaving, he's drinking water. So I don't know if misbehaving changed the meaning. Did the misbehave change the meaning? Peter wende mahali una Peter Sophie. Mipango yangu ni ya ajabu, mpango wangu haipangako. Hakuna mwanadamu yeyote awezaye kuipangua mipango ya Mungu. Kila mtu ana riziki yake, kila mtu ana baraka zake. Mafanikio maishani mwetu huenda sambamba na mipango ya Mungu. Kisii Informer Hub. Hi Kisii Informer. How are you doing? How are you doing, Kisii Informer?